Welcome to the video about distributive property. Today what we're going to do is talking about how to get rid of the parentheses when you have a number that's attached to it. So remember, the 3 on the outside is a coefficient, which means that we can multiply the 3 on the outside by each term on the inside. So on the inside of this example, we have 2 minus 10x. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take 3 times 2 to get 6. And I'm going to take 3 times negative 10 to get negative 30x. Right? I want to pause and say that I use the word negative 10x instead of minus 10x because I find it a lot easier to think about the terms as positive or negative rather than plus or minus. Because then we can use Mr. Multiple Vision and skip a step. So here I did 3 times negative 10x, so I had a positive and a negative, which means that my result is negative. So here I have 6 minus 30x. That's my answer right there. Now I want to highlight that I have 2 terms on the inside. I had 2 and I had negative 10, which means that I have to have 2 terms when I'm done distributing, which is 6 and negative 30. All right, let's try that next example. If you notice on this example, I actually have 3 terms on the inside of the parentheses. So when I distribute, I need to end up with 3 terms after I'm done. So I'm going to take negative 5 times negative 9a. We have a negative times a negative, which means that my answer is going to be positive. So 5 times 9 is 45a. Then I'm going to take negative 5 times positive 7. I have a negative times a positive, which means my answer is going to be negative 35. And then I have to do it one more time, negative 5 times 4b. Again, I have a negative and a positive. So I have negative 20b. Again, I'm just taking 5 times 4 to get 20, and 5 times 7 to get 35, and 5 times 9 to get 45. And I've just dropped those variables. All right, you guys remember how I said that we needed to have 3 terms at the end because we have 3 terms on the inside? Well, we used to have 1, 2, 3, and now we have 1, 2, 3 terms. So I am done because I can't combine like terms because we don't have any like terms. All right. Let's go ahead, you pause this video, try these on your own, and then check your answers with mine. All right, welcome back. Let me show you how to do this one. For this first example, you should have ended up with 12x minus 21. Let's go ahead and try the next example. All right, our final answer for the second one was negative 30 plus 15y. Hopefully you feel a little bit better about distributed property after this video. If not, I suggest that you go back and try to rewatch it again, pausing as needed.